Hey everyone, welcome back to Scribblestokes, your go-to spot for crypto market insights. Let's dive right into something huge. Bitcoin whales are making moves, and I mean big moves. Over the past 72 hours, on-chain data shows a massive spike in whale accumulation, with wallets holding over 1,000 BTC snapping up more than 20,000 Bitcoin. At current prices around $58,000, that's over $1 billion in buying pressure. Are we staring at the early signs of a market reversal? Stick around as we break this down. First, let's set the stage. The crypto market has been in a rough patch lately. Bitcoin's been hovering between $56,000 and $60,000 for weeks, with a lot of choppy price action. Just last week, we saw a dip to $55,800, testing that key support level. Sentiment has been shaky too. The crypto fear and greed index is sitting at 39 as of this morning, still in fear territory. Retail investors are nervous, and exchange inflows have been high, signaling some folks are offloading their bags. But while the average trader is sweating, the big players, those Bitcoin whales, are doing the exact opposite. They're buying, and they're buying hard. Now, let's dig into the data. According to Glassnode, whale wallets have accumulated over 20,000 BTC in just 3 days, one of the sharpest spikes we've seen in months. At the same time, Bitcoin exchange netflows are showing a significant outflow. Around 15,000 BTC has left major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase during this period. This tells us that large holders are moving their coins to cold storage, a classic sign they're not planning to sell anytime soon. On top of that, the Bitcoin RSI on the daily chart is currently at 42, just above oversold territory. Historically, when RSI dips below 40 and whales start accumulating, we often see a bounce. Could this be the setup? Let's not jump the gun, but the pieces are starting to align. So, what does this mean for the market? Well, whale accumulation at this scale often acts as a leading indicator. These players don't move billions on a whim. They've got data, resources, and often insider perspectives we don't. If they're buying while Bitcoin is testing support at $56,000, it suggests they see value here. Resistance is still firm at $60,000, and we've been rejected there twice in the past 2 weeks. But if this buying pressure continues, we could see a push towards $62,000, which aligns with the 50-day moving average. On the flip side, if sentiment stays sour and retail keeps selling, we might retest $55,000 or even lower. The fear and greed index at 39 shows there's still a lot of uncertainty, and macro factors like interest rate hikes or stock market volatility could throw a wrench in any recovery. One thing's clear though, whales aren't waiting for perfect conditions. They're positioning now, and that's something we need to pay attention to. Here's where I want to hear from you. What do you think this whale activity means for Bitcoin's next move? Are we on the cusp of a reversal, or is this just a temporary blip before more downside? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one, and I love seeing your takes. Also, if you're finding value in these deep dives, hit that like button and subscribe to Scribblestokes for daily crypto updates. Let's keep this conversation going. And while I'm not here to tell you what to do with your portfolio, I do think staying informed is your best tool. Keep an eye on those key levels: support at $56,000, resistance at $60,000, and watch on-chain metrics like exchange flows for clues. Before I wrap up, let me leave you with this thought. Bitcoin's history is full of moments where whale moves signaled major shifts, sometimes weeks before the price caught up. With accumulation this aggressive, and with RSI showing we're nearing oversold conditions, the question isn't just whether a reversal is coming, it's how much fuel these whales are packing for the ride. Are we looking at a slow grind back to $65,000, or could this be the spark for something bigger? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the market is whispering and the whales are listening. Let's keep our ears open too. See you in the next video.